Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the Daddy Finger. For an Avengers fan, having all Avengers character in their birthday cake is a dream come true. Here's an Avenger cake with Captain America's shield along with the side of Captain America's belt, Hulk's fist along with his belt on the side, Black Panther's mask along with his powerful claws on the side, Iron Man's helmet with his multicolor suit on the side. Start with icing the cake. For making different Avenger quarter of the cake with fondant, first cut out a quarter in a circular butter paper. This will help in getting a perfect quarter. Now go ahead with other color fondants. For the last quarter, try to overlap the fondant and cut it out to have a perfect blend of fondant. Now try to make the edges smooth. Take the fondant and start cutting the Black Panther's mask as shown. Now go ahead with Hulk's fist. Now start cutting the Iron Man's helmet. And finally, Captain America's shield. Now start decorating the side with Captain America's belt, which is white and red alternate strips. Iron Man suit, just make a twist with red and yellow fondant. Hulk belt is the most simple one. Start cutting the Black Panther claws for the side. Enjoy the Avengers assembled on the Avengers cake.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.